Okay, so how do we solve 8x equals to the square root of 1 minus 12x? Well, because you can easily square it, you will square it. Squaring gets rid of the square root, so you're left with 1 minus 12x. Very important, when you square 8x, you have to square both 8 and x, so this is 64x squared. Again, anytime that you have three different terms, or actually you just need two, you got to move everything over to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I get 64x squared plus 12x minus 1. And I want to write it in such a way that I get x squared, x, and 1 in that order. Alright, so once I get this, then I have to factor this out. Now the back side, this is interesting because usually it's the back side that's the problem. The back side here has to be 1 and 1 because only 1 times 1 is 1. The front side is 64, and so I've got to figure out what times what is 64. Well, 64 is 2 to the 6, so this is the same thing. I'm not even going to actually write out the tree. You can if you want to, but it's just 2 to the 6, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5, 6. Okay, boom. All right, so I need to get it such that I get to 12. So let's try to see how I compare this. If I go 3 and 3, they'll cancel out, right? That's no good. If I go 4 and 2, that's 4 and that's 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. There we go. This is equal to 0. I want to get 12, so that would be positive. That would be negative 4x. So it's 16x minus 1 equals 0, and 4x plus 1 equals 0. And then I'll go ahead and let me erase this, give myself more space. Okay. So solve at 1 to the other side. Subtract 1. So x equals 1 over 16, or x equals negative 1/4. And those are my answers. Hopefully that makes sense. See you in the next video.